the zone. Gaining momentum in full flow is one of the best feelings. Work is effortless, time flies, and you get things done. You know the feeling. But the question is, how do you get there? A good start is using tools that are better than most, perfectly tailored to your needs, with innovations that make a difference. But above all, you need to get organized. Streamline your workflow. Spend less time looking for tools and more time using them. Teng Tools. Get organized and feel the flow.